This is question number 29 from the June 2016 Geometry Regents exam. In this question we're given two different circles, the radius of each, and also the central angle, and we're given the arc length that they create. We need to figure out whether angle A and B have the same radian measure. Now to figure this out, we're going to be using the formula that the central angle theta is going to be equal S over R, where S is the arc length. They use the letter S for representing the word subtended, and R for the radius, of course. And so basically we're going to calculate A and B and see whether or not they're the same. So let's start off with circle number 1. So our angle theta, well actually I guess we may as well call it angle A, is going to be found by taking the arc length, which is pi, and dividing it by the radius, which is 4. So that's done. Now let's take a look at circle 2. So to find our central angle B, we're going to take the arc length, which is 13 pi over 8, and we're going to divide it by 6.5. That's our radius. Now this is the same thing as 13 pi over 8 multiplied by 6.5. We are still dividing 6.5 because it's in the denominator here. And that becomes 13 pi over 52. And we can simplify that. Both 13 and 52 can be divided by 13 to get pi over 4. So we know B is equal to pi over 4. So look at that. They are indeed both the same value. So we can conclude that the angles A and B do have the same radian measure. Okay, and that is it for this video. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.